G'day guys, X-Ray Racer 1 here, and this is update number 13 of Project N-Scale. Now, some stuff has been happening. There are some things being changed on my layout. Some progress has been made in certain sections that haven't been built yet. And yeah, it's going to be quite productive actually. Update number 14, you might see some final, some of the final bits of what I've been doing. But to start off with, as you can see here, I have made some big changes. For those who remember, I had an old abandoned building that I had with some homeless people inside it. Camping there. What I have done is I have got rid of all the trees. I tried to move the house, but some of the scenic cement caused the house to be completely stuck to the surface here, and being that that abandoned house was over 20 years old, and the plastic was brittle and it just disintegrated. So it's in the bin, unfortunately. But as you can see here, what I've done is, as I've moved the trees, I have scraped away some of the terrain, not terrain, like the scatter material. Try to get back to a bare board. And as you can see here, I've got a kit that I've built. What this is, it's I bought it on eBay, and it's by a guy on eBay who, from what I can understand, he makes his own kits, and it's called Somerset Models. What I'll do is I'll try to leave a link down below for the description, and you can see this house here is a house under construction. So it's going to be facing this way, about there, and I've got some construction workers, things like that. What I'm going to do is I've got some of that Tamiya paint, like what do they call it? Like 3D effect paint. I forget what that's called, like textured paint. So it'll be the pavement effect. So it'll be like a concrete slab that it's sitting on. I've got some construction workers, and then I'll have like bits of dirt. You know, when you see a house under construction, it's not all nice grass, and that's all mud and dirt. So I'll have that around there. I'll have some, later on I'll have some more houses around here to fill in this area, because I just didn't like how I had all this area here, and it was just one house in the middle, and it took up everything, and then some trees around. I didn't really like that, so yeah, I got rid of that. And so if we go around here, what I've done is the hobos, old homeless guys, have been relocated. So that's that there. Another thing that I've done is I've built, this is a paper card kit by Metcalf. It's a shop / cafe. So this section here is the shop, section here is the cafe, and I haven't glued this down yet, so I might take that away and just rearrange some of the building and that, just so it fits nicely. So I've got that there. I've got a few other things lying around, but the big thing that's been happening is this. I have started building the tunnel, well, mountain area / tunnel for this section of the layout. So as you saw, I've done this big mountain area here. So now I'm in the middle of building this one. And I have here a wind turbine, and it's not just a static one, it is motorized. So I've got wires coming down there, they're on the ground at the moment, so I've got to have that hooked up. I'm going to have it hooked up to my DC power controls unit. Not sure how I can hook it up to the DCC unit, but that's the progress so far. So what I've done is it's the same process as that mountain there. I just made like a box unit. So this time what I did is I used cardboard and made up a box unit. And as you can see, it's going to go around like that. Now, don't worry how it's all smooth here. I'll have plaster cloth around here to give it textured effect, but what I'm going to do, it's all going to be rock face on this side, so it's going to be a bit like that around there, how it's all textured rock surface, so like just like it's been drilled out and blasted away. So that's how I'm going to have it there. I might put a bit more plaster cloth on here, because as you can see, I'm a little disappointed with the Woodland Scenic stuff here, because you can see all the holes and gaps, so I'm going to have to maybe even use a little spac filler or plaster of Paris or something, I don't know, just to fill in all the holes and things like that. And once that's done, because how it's done is I bead the box, got newspaper, rolled it up and just taped the newspaper down, then you just put the plaster cloth over the top of that. And then once I've finished with the plastering, I will then paint it and then add, you know, turf and trees and things like that. I'm going to get I probably might use some of the sculpting plaster to raise this up or that, and have some roads here, because I'm going to get a workman engineer. So there's, you know, that's just a work in progress. Not a lot has happened, but what I will be doing too is also from that guy on eBay from Somerset Models, I bought some fencing. You can have some fencing go around here, around the perimeter of my machine works here. And if I have enough left over, I might put some around this one here. So yeah, that's about it, guys. There's not a lot to do. As you can see, the layout itself would be finished, but you know, it won't be complete. And who knows, there might be things that I'll chop and change, because it's like anything, you know, you can just change it around. As you can see, if you remember from my last video, I was real disappointed with the way the water turned out. A fellow YouTuber recommended that I hit the water with a heat gun, and it has actually, it's a bit hard to tell on the camera here, but compared to last time, I hit it with the heat gun and it actually helped it a little bit. So because it was actually real cloudy around here, and it's not so bad anymore, so it's a bit of work in progress. So that'll be the end for this video. Hopefully I get some more progress done with the mountain here, probably get wires hooked up and that. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop a comment down below, and stay tuned for the next update, guys.